Hi everyone, I hope you're all doing well today. Today is Friday, January 11th, 2025. I'll be analyzing GBPUSD across multiple timeframes to see if there are any potential trading opportunities. Here's the daily chart, and it looks like we're in a strong downtrend. On the 1-hour chart, the downtrend is confirmed. The stochastic indicator is moving down from the overbought region, and we can see a bearish candle forming. We can also spot a downward arrow indicating a divergence setup. Additionally, the price is trading below the center line of the Bollinger Bands. Now let's check the 15-minute chart. The price still appears to be moving downward, and the stochastic indicator has yet to reach the oversold zone. On the 5-minute chart, we can see the price breaking out after a Bollinger Band squeeze. It appears to be resuming its downward move following a small pullback. Therefore, I've placed a sell order and will monitor the profits using my profit trailer EA. My target is a 5% gain from the starting account balance, which amounts to $64. I aim to achieve this in 2 trading sessions, each targeting 2.5%. I believe we're heading in the right direction, as the price continues to move downward. We've now reached our first profit target of $32. Our EA automatically closed all the orders once it hit the target of 2.5%, which is $32. Let's analyze the market using Fibonacci levels before placing the sell orders for our second session. I'm going to place 2 sell limit orders at the 50% and 62.4% entracement levels. Since there's a small pullback at the moment, I'll place the sell order and wait for the EA to secure the profit around $32. The profits from the orders were $32.50 each, but the EA didn't close them since the profit target was set at $32.98. However, we still reached our total daily profit of $64. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to share your thoughts and ideas by posting comments below.